So for this next activity, you're simply going to be using Google Maps to really assess the level of connectivity between your main location and the area around it. So I'm looking at the school address for this one, and I'm going to be using Mazenod College as an example. So I've typed in Mazenod College, search for it, and you can see the pin that's developed here now. What I want to then do is see perhaps where the closest supermarket actually is. So I then go to the search bar here and type in supermarket. Okay, and it will show me where the nearest supermarket to my central location actually are. So if I then, let's just say they're probably fairly similar distance, but let's just choose Audi, but it's nice and easy. So if I click on Audi here and go directions, and then I'll choose my starting point as Mazenod College. Okay. And then I want to make sure a few things that I've selected walk. Okay, and I can see the quickest route is 24 minutes and it's 1.7 kilometers. Now, the other thing to look at too is perhaps the gradient as well of that particular walk. Okay, so you can see just towards the end as well, it looks like that's actually part of the bridge, perhaps it's going over the freeway there. But that's something else to include in your data collector, because I think that has a relevance of walkability, which makes it either more or less connected to your central location. So using that, and you can use a whole variety of different things like the playground, health centre, sports facilities, but it will help really establish how close that 20-minute neighbourhood your central location is. And how easy it is for people to walk to get to the services that will hopefully increase livability and well-being in the area.